This is how to integration by parts, which says integrate x sine x dx. Before starting solving this question, using this opportunity to tell you that you should subscribe to this channel and share this video. So let's go to board. So in case of any time I'm solving a question, you're able to see it clearly. So in solving a question like this, which is x sine x dx, so there's a better formula to use instead of cracking your brain to solve integration by parts. So the formula is this. You have to apply this formula. There is a formula to use. You have to apply this formula to the integration by part. It said integral uv dx u integral v dx minus integral bracket open du dx dot integral v dx dx. So therefore, in solving this, you know that our x is now u and our v is equal to sine x. So let's try to apply this formula to this question. So it means that integral meaning that integral x dx, so which will give us integral x sine x will be equal to, now according to this formula, you know your u, this is u, this is v. So let's substitute directly to this formula. So our u now is x. We have x integral sine x dx minus integral, so du dx, that is d of x with respect to the x dot integral sine x, which is v sine x dx. You know, you open a bracket here, you close it, the x. So which will give us, this is x times minus cos x minus integral. So when you differentiate x with respect to x, you have 1 to multiply minus cos x dx. So let's multiply, let's write it out to have minus x cos x. Now minus x minus will be plus the integrations of cos x dx. So now in having this, now let's try to simplify better. So we have minus x cos x. Now when you integrate cos x, it will give you sine x, so plus sine x plus c. So the integral x sine x dx will now be minus x cos x plus sine x plus c. So this is answer for this question. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel.